Our back in Lantern in Parma after the rehab. So check this thing out. So first thing I see is the brand new concrete driveway. It looks amazing. It's fantastic. I haven't actually been in the house yet, so this is gonna be a surprise for both of us. Okay, we got a new front door here. Looks great. New hardwood floors. So take a look up here. So the last time I walked in this house with Michael, it was wrecked. And he was the one who rehabbed it. He did a fantastic job. It looks fantastic. Fresh paint. Kitchen also looks great. New cabinets, new appliances. Totally redid it. I think we had a counter right here too that he took out. Looks great. Let's check out the upstairs. Brand new carpet. Throughout all the bedrooms. My bathroom up here too. Bathroom looks incredible also. Great tile through the bathroom. New sinks look awesome. 2 sinks this time instead of 1. I love that feature. Especially with there being 4 bedrooms up here. He also finished the basement too, so we should check that out also. I was not able to show the basement in the last video because it was so destroyed back there. So I'm curious to see what it looks like. So we also got a bathroom right before the basement. Looks great. Okay, first time down here. Perfect little basement right here. Be a great hangout room. Thanks for watching my video.